Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change a door shelf retainer bar end cap on your refrigerator door. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a small flat blade screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll start by opening the refrigerator door and remove any items that are on that shelf. Now to remove the end cap, there's a tab where it fits up against the liner. Simply depress that tab, pushing it towards the outside, and pull that component out. Now with the small flat blade screwdriver, right in the center of that end cap from the front, just slide that in to release the little locking tab, and your bracket slides right off. Take our new end cap. There's two locating pins and a locking tab in the center. Line up the locating pins, slide it on until the locking tab engages, and then press it back into the door liner, and our repair is complete. We told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.